Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making the hardware ready. Charge the Apple Watch to at least 50% and put it on so sensors contact skin. Once done, make sure Bluetooth is on and your iPhone is unlocked. Open the Watch app and tap pair. Follow the on-screen camera alignment to match the animation. You do this now because pairing transfers Apple ID, health data, and settings. After pairing, choose a watch face and enable wrist detection so notifications and heart rate tracking work reliably. You now configure the watch for daily use. Pick a watch face and add complications you need. That gives quick access to data. Next, set a secure passcode and enable wrist detection so Apple Pay and health sensors trigger only when worn. Adjust activity goals and turn on heart rate, fall detection, and emergency SOS if desired. Install or remove apps from the Watch app. Allow notifications and background refresh selectively to balance usefulness versus battery life. You finish by practicing core interactions. Swipe for Control Center and notifications, press the digital crown to see apps, and talk to Siri for hands-free tasks. Make a habit of checking battery and enable low-power mode when needed. Reduce animations to extend runtime. For accurate readings, keep sensors clean and fit snugly. If the watch misbehaves, restart it first. If problems persist, unpair from the iPhone and repair to reset settings and resolve syncing errors. This usually fixes stubborn issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.